Hello YouTube, this is Cool Random, and today I'm going to be showing you how to grow sensitive plants, also known as Mimosa pudica. You might be wondering why I picked this plant. I find this plant very unique, and it's also very easy to grow. It has pretty pink flowers, but the coolest thing about it is it moves. When you touch it or brush your hand up against it, it'll curl up and its leaves will fold in. And it's not like a Venus flytrap where it just moves on certain parts and it just does it to catch flies. It'll do it all the time. Step 1. Getting your seeds. You can get your seeds at a garden store, but I prefer getting them online at Amazon or eBay. eBay is probably the best because you can get them for 99 cents and free shipping, and that's what this channel is all about. You can also find them outside. You can look in your yard, but you have to live in Central or South America to be able to find them. 2. Germinating. Let your seeds sit in a cup of warm water for 24 to 48 hours. This is important because it opens up the seed and begins the growing process. The longer the better, but don't leave them in the water for more than 3 days for they can rot. Step 3. Planting. Put seeds approximately 1/8 inch under some potting soil in a small gardening pot. Water the pot with some warm water, then put some plastic wrap over the top of the pot. Don't take the plastic wrap off until the seeds have sprouted. Careful to not mistake your plants as regular weeds. 4. Your seeds have sprouted. After 2 to 14 days, your seeds will sprout. Use a mister to carefully water the sprout until it is strong enough to be watered normally. 5. Maintaining. Once your seeds have sprouted, you should keep them in partly sunny, partly shady areas. Water once every 2 days, and watch them grow. Step 6. Opening the basil leaves. Lucky for you, you don't really have to do anything for this step. The plant will do it all by itself. After a day or two from when it sprouted, the big green leaf, the basil leaf, will split into 2. As you can see below, here's a picture right when it starts and a picture at the end of the day when it's finished. Finally, it'll get its real leaves. After a week or 2, your young plant will develop real leaves. These are the leaves that it photosynthesizes with, which is how it gets its energy. However, these are also the leaves that move. Now, I wouldn't touch them too much because it can stress out the plant and it'll lose all of its energy and it could die. So be careful. Eventually it'll get more stems, but it can take 4 to 6 weeks. Your plant will develop more stems throughout the rest of its life. The result will be an awesome, cool, unique plant that you can decorate your room with. If you like this video, subscribe, and there will be more to come. Also like and leave any comments if you have any questions. Thanks.